how will you use your influence to inspire the youth in your community?
Sorry, come again.
Okay, my question is, if you win the title, how will you use your influence to inspire the youth in your community?
You know what? Sometimes in life, the main reason why we feel hopeless is because of our imperfections. And that is why, if I am crowned Mr. Pampanga 2026, I will encourage young people to embrace their imperfections by reminding them that perfection is not the goal. Growth is. Our flaws are not weaknesses. They are proof that we are human, learning and becoming better each day. I will encourage them to stop comparing their journey with others, but instead focus on improving their journey at their own pace. And I believe that using my platform, I will promote self-acceptance, confidence, and resilience, because when young people embrace who they are, including their imperfections, they become braver, more compassionate, and empowered to reach their full potential and serve their community with pride. Thank you.